2 or 3 of you tell me the problems Nigeria is facing.
We are engaging in corruption and...
Oh, wonderful. Clap for her. Be confident, be bold. Come and tell us. Insecurity. Clap. Insecurity. So who are the people that has these problems? Me and you. Who are the people that are bringing this problem? Clap for yourself. I'm sorry. These are public speaking. So that means, what is the solution? Tell me. You will be. I'm leaving this leadership to you because I've taught you that time that you are all leaders.
If we determine to be great in life and
if we determine to be great in life and read,
we should do the right thing at the right time.
We should do the right thing at the right time. The reason why we are gathered here today, do you know why? So that we will all sit down to brainstorm together to see how you can now work on yourself from now. That is the foundation. So that all these things will not be part of who? You. So that you won't be part of Nigerian problem. Then you will become who? A solution. What did I tell you the other time? A solution provider. You are all change agents. You understand? It's a process. Nigeria cannot change in one day. But you know, I told you that a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with what? The first step. So we are here for the first step today. And I've told you that there are many things, leadership skills, that you should begin to train yourself in. It won't come like that. It's easy to say it, but you must do it intentionally. You must do it at all costs. It will cost you a lot of things. Even your friends may not even be your friend again.
Facebook. How many of you have heard Facebook before? Facebook. Have you heard of Facebook before? Facebook was created by a young man. And today is a leader. It's a place where he brings family and friends together. If he's not a reader, will he be able to form that? If he's not a thinker, will he be able to create that? So the story of Oprah Winfrey that Mama told you, what she went through was a foundation. But what you are seeing today is the building. So can any building stand without foundation? No. So what you do today will determine who you will become tomorrow. What you do today, if you play today, you will pay tomorrow.
Your education, you are being tutored about leadership, and leadership matters a lot. But don't forget, you cannot be a leader without being a good follower. You cannot be a good leader without being what? A good follower. And leadership does not start with you being a governor, being a senator, member of House of Representatives. No. Anywhere you find yourself, even in a class where there is no teacher, when your teacher is not around, you can easily say, excuse me, we are supposed to be reading and not just making noise. You are starting your leadership responsibility from that perspective. I will equally like to add that this leadership training you are having is not a license for you to fight anybody who you don't see to be doing the right thing. There is a way you do it. Even at home, mommy, don't you think this is wrong? Can't we do it this way? You won't say, mommy, you are wrong. The innovations that have been made in 18th century, you can know about them when you read. Where you are going in the future that you have not been to, you can know about it when you read a lot. Unfortunately for us in Africa, and I think we are challenging that now, somebody said, if you want to keep something away from Africans, put it where? In a book.
We want to talk about public speaking and leadership. If you cannot communicate, you cannot be a leader. Are you with me? You must be able to communicate before you can be a leader. Now, a leader communicates with large number of people. And when you do that, we say you are doing public speaking. What I'm doing now is public speaking. What am I doing now? What am I doing now? Because I am communicating with you. Communication or public speaking is act. Some say it is a science. It is act of passing message or disseminating a message to a large number of people. In a public speaking encounter, there must be a speaker and there must be audience. This afternoon, you are the audience. I am the speaker.
Nobody like dog, but you must hustle if you want job. I want to test. I want to carry my love away to the place you love.
Nine girls from my bed, and you know oil in my head. 10 girls in my bed, all of them naked, don't trust. We know with the ball like this.
I've learned that if you want to be a leader, you should read always. You should not spend your reading time with playing. You should not spend much time on TV.
We should provide space for ourselves to read. We should read and understand, but not read alone.